Hello everyone, welcome back to another long video. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of the oxpecker. Oxpeckers, also known as stick birds, are two species of small African birds, the red-billed and yellow-billed oxpeckers, that feed on parasites, blood, and earwax from large mammals like rhinos, zebras, and cattle. Did you know this tiny bird plays a giant role in keeping wild animals healthy? Let's find out how. The two species are: number 1, red-billed oxpecker has a uniformly red bill, a dark rump, and a prominent yellow eyeding. Number 2, yellow-billed oxpecker has a yellow bill base with a red tip, a pale rump, and lacks the bright eye wattle. Both birds feed on ticks and insects from large mammals and act as mutualistic partners, even serving as an early warning system for predators. Oxpeckers mainly live on large herbivores such as cattle, buffalo, and rhinos. These mammals are mobile sources of food as they host plenty of ticks and parasites. This relationship is often mutualistic, with oxpeckers removing parasites and cleaning wounds. However, it can sometimes be parasitic, especially with domesticated cattle, where oxpeckers may worsen wounds. Oxpeckers feed on: number 1, ticks and other parasites; number 2, dead skin, earwax, mucus, saliva, blood, and even tears. Sometimes they peck at wounds to access fresh blood, which may prevent healing and increase infection risk. It has relationship with animals in many ways. Number 1, mutualism. Both benefit. Birds get food, mammals get parasite removal and early predator warnings. Number 2, complex role. Beneficial by cleaning and alerting, but potentially harmful when feeding on wounds. Number 3, natural alert system. Oxpeckers issue alarm calls when predators or threats appear, helping large mammals like rhinos and buffalo. It has various behavior and calls. Number 1, oxpeckers are highly social, forming flocks of up to 50 birds. Number 2, during the day, they disperse to feed on parasites. Number 3, at night, they gather in communal roosts in trees or cliffs. The conservation status is: number 1, listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, but populations are patchy. Number 2, threats include declining large mammals and pesticide use. Number 3, their dual role, both cleaning service and occasional parasite, makes them debated figures in wildlife management. Their lifespan is up to 15 years in the wild. They are nature's doctors. Oxpeckers heal wild animals like rhinos, hippos, zebras, and cattle, just like doctors heal humans. They have every right to live on this planet. For more wonders about land mammals, birds, reptiles, and wildlife, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for updates. Comment your opinion and share this video to reach more animal lovers. Check the link in the description to purchase a useful product. that supports my channel and wildlife. Save animals, save birds, save nature, save wildlife, and save your mind.